Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? Today, we're delving into Meta, providing you with a more detailed analysis than our initial report published on Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has ranked Meta as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.74. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Meta has experienced a gain of 5.47%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.3% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 13.35% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 5.25% to 18.59%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, there is a projected 125.21% change in the stock's value. This indicates a potential return ranging from 113.30% to 142.19%. In other words, the stock could reach a price range of $734.74 to $834.27 after a year. Our latest daily update for Meta brings exciting news. Meta stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 3, 2024, the Meta stock price experienced a slight decline of -0.526%, moving from $346.29 to $344.47. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.39%, with a low of $343.18 and a high of $347.95. During this period, the price has been fluctuating, resulting in a loss of -0.04% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume aligns with the decline in stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, trading volume decreased by -4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 14 million shares bought and sold for approximately $4.92 billion. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the Meta stock was $361.90, while the lowest price was $124.54. At present, the stock is trading at a price that is 4.82%, or $17.43, below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is currently 10.37%, or $39.86, below its all-time high, which was reached on September 1, 2021, with a price of $384.33. Today, I'll be discussing analyst ratings for Meta. Starting with B. Riley Securities, they recently gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action on Monday, November 20, 2023. Next, we have Wedbush, who also graded Meta as outperform with a hold action on the same day, Monday, November 20, 2023. Wells Fargo, on Monday, November 20, 2023, gave Meta an equal weight grade along with a hold action. Now let's look at the ratings from October 26, 2023. Goldman Sachs rated Meta as a buy with a hold action. Finally, on the same day, October 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Meta stock has been given a general rating of buy. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, while the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the signals for Meta. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for Meta stock. However, the long-term average shows a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $352.73. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $337.91. A breakout above the short-term average would signal a buy, while a breakdown below the long-term average would signal a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, provides a buy signal. There are also some negative signals that could impact the short-term future. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, resulting in a decline of -3.87% so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. The volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 4 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was generated 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was identified 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal occurred 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 240 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Meta. Meta currently has a strong support level at $334.92, which presents a potential buying opportunity. This support level is backed by accumulated volume, indicating that when it is tested, we can expect an upward reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, Meta has average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $4.77, or 1.39% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.95%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Meta, let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is commonly observed in businesses with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.75. It's important to keep a close watch on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some key day trading levels for Meta. If Meta continues its upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $344.62. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the price to break through this level before considering a position. However, if you're already invested in the stock, this could be a potential level to keep in mind for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if Meta experiences a downside movement, it will encounter its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 2, 2024, Newstead Jennifer sold 566 shares of Class A common stock as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 250 shares of Class B common stock as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 657 shares of Class B common stock as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 100 shares of Class A common stock as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 57 shares of Class A common stock as an insider. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative with a ratio of -35.137. Overall, insiders have purchased 185,177 shares and sold 386,523 shares in the last 100 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $326.92, which represents a decrease of 5.09%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Meta stock presents a favorable buying opportunity in the short term. Several positive short-term signals and a generally positive trend support this conclusion. We have upgraded our analysis from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Our systems have identified that the current price of Meta stock is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, January 4th, we anticipate that Meta stock will open up at $345.20, with an increase of $0.728. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of this stock. We value your input, so please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share your target price for this stock. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We sincerely hope you have a successful trading experience, and we wish you a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.